Hey there, in today's video, I'm going to break down how to target your competitors and other YouTube channels on your YouTube. If you want to get more visitors, leads, and customers from YouTube, actually how to target other YouTube channels with YouTube ads. Now, YouTube ads are the lowest cost place. As you can see, we spent $1,300 in this account and got 38 leads for this law firm. And if you want to get more traffic, those leads and those customers that are watching your videos, this is for you. I'm going to break down exactly how to set up this campaign for yourself and how to target your competitors and easily show up next to other people's videos. Now, I hate the videos that when you go to YouTube, they show up before you can watch a video. What I like to do is show these types of ads, search up here, and then if they watch someone else's video, we want it to be. So if I click on watch, it'll also show that you can see another recommended video here on the right side. So what you need is you need a Google Ads account. That's the number one step. You can check out other videos on my playlist showing how to set up a Google Ads account. They give you a great credit if you want to get set up. I'll show you what those look like now, but they do change quite often. Just go to ads.google.com, scroll down, and you're going to see that they give you some ad credits. Now, once you get your account set up, they're going to make you create a test account. And it's basically just the most simple settings there. You have to go through them. You got to deposit $50. You can pause it. As soon as you turn that on, pause it, and you want to go to this advanced view. You're going to create a new campaign. And what we want to do is, depending on if you want sales, leads, website traffic, awareness, or just create a campaign without guidance, you can choose any of these. Now, if you're just new and starting out and you don't have any audiences yet, just do create a campaign without guidance. But what I would recommend is hiring an expert on something freelance site. I'll post my affiliate link down below. Leave me a comment if you want access to the guy that I use to set up all of our tracking, because it is good to retarget your website visitors, or if you're an e-commerce store, sales, anyone that viewed the products, and then you can target them on these different channels here. So today in particular, we're going to be focused on video, really YouTube. That's one of the best places where leads come in. And what we have is some different options here. You can do video views, drive conversions, all of that. I like it just gives you the most options. So let's click on continue. YouTube, add to competitor websites. It goes to other websites and watches competitors' YouTube videos. Now you're going to see the different ad formats I don't like. It's just going to make you seem kind of spammy, and people can't wait to hit that skip button. If you're anything, you just can't wait to hit skip. So sometimes you even upgrade your YouTube channel. And also, one new update YouTube's come out with, if you have somebody like me or that upgrades the $20 a month for YouTube to not see any ads, this will still work, because what's going to happen is you can show these ads, Google search, Google Display Network, Gmail, and other Google display sites out there. So maybe you won't show on the YouTube channel, but you will show on other Google products. That way it helps you retarget people. This is all based on you and where you're located. We're going to say any related videos. So what you can go is go choose 2 videos from your channel you think are relatable. This will be related after your ad. So if somebody sees your ad, they will also be recommended these next. And I'll show you what that looks like. Look at the most popular videos, or if you have a pillar piece of content, you can go use one of those. So what I'll do is I'll use something good video. I'll come back and I'll place it in here. So what I do recommend is having a welcome video. If we go to my channel here, welcome to AutomationLinks. So I recommend doing this. It helps you. So that's what we did here, 2 recommended videos. And then if you hired somebody or if you set it up on your own, you'll have other audiences that you can add to. You can also go on different demographics here, or you can go and do it based on interests and detailed demographics. Feel free to play around with that and fill all of that out. But from there, what we want to do is go down here and we want to choose content where you want your ads to show. And this is where we can actually add placements. So from here, we can search by word, phrase, URL, or video ID. So what I can do is actually go to Google here, and I can look at some other law firms as an example. And you can go and place that URL in here, and you can target that person from websites. And then from there, you can scroll down and find other recommended websites that would be similar to that. Now you want to make sure that this is all based on people so what we want to do is make sure these are all added. Sometimes what you can do is you can go and look for a few more and then go through the recommended ones below. So what we could do is add one placement there, and we'll go back to that one that didn't have a channel, and you can manually add them over here. Now you can go look for other channels as well, maybe channels that have something to do with. Take a look at this and you'll see right here. So this is, if we put this exact search term in the YouTube ad, you could, today's purpose, we're just looking at some other channels that have a good reach. So these people have just 2 subscribers. What we want to look for is somebody that has 185,000 views, something we can target this channel. This is something I want you to go research and figure out, and I can choose that video there. So it's saying that we still need more placements. So I usually 10. So go ahead and keep scrolling through, find some other videos that you think would be a good fit, and make sure to place those in there. And as you can see, here's an ad. I can't wait to hurry up and hit skip, and skipped. Now you can show your ad over here on the top right or here in this sponsored post here. From there, you've got a pretty good list, hopefully, and this is where you're going to go upload your YouTube channel. So what we want to do is upload that YouTube video that we want to start advertising. Run as an ad. And what it's going to do is going to target any of these website visitors and any of these YouTube channel visitors, and it's going to show up. So you're going to see on mobile phones, on a computer, on display. And that's exactly what I showed you when I looked on Google, the different formats there. You can also see it on Google Video Partners. So from there, what we can do is we can add more videos. You can even add vertical videos, add up to, and we can add a call to action. That's where we're going to have those 2 buttons that show up. And we want to really be strategic on the headline, description. And if you want, and then you can basically just choose your cost, put it right around 1. Once you turn this on and it starts adjusting that, it'll give you some warnings. So let's click create campaign, turn that campaign on, and you'll start showing your video that you choose here in front of the audience that you chose here. And if this video brought you any value, it'd be awesome if you subscribe to my channel. And you can check out more videos about YouTube ads, YouTube Marktop. And if you need any other help with this, make sure you visit our website, AutomationLinks.com. My team will be more than happy to set this up for you. All right, I will talk to you soon.